Do you want to defy aging and let nobody know what you're doing, but just look better and better over the years? Well, Sculptra can do that for you. Sculptra is polylactic acid, and it will make you make your own collagen. And it's because it takes a little while to work, it just kind of sneaks up on everybody, and everybody just goes, oh my gosh, you look so great. So we're gonna do a Sculptra treatment on our patient today. Do you wanna ice for a sec right at your temple? And so like I said, it's polylactic acid. It's been in use since the 80s, and it will make you make your own collagen, which is fantastic. Who doesn't wanna make their own collagen? Okay, you ready? So the way we inject it is on the periphery of your skin, of your, of your face, 1, 2, 3. I want you to ice right here next. And then right next to the nose, in the chin, and then in this area right here where it's really difficult to put any filler, but Sculptra just makes you make collagen right there because it's putting a scaffolding right where, and then your body goes, oh, there's scaffolding. I'm gonna put some collagen there. Okay. And this will help lift that chin, 1, 2, 3. Good job, awesome. I want you to ice right here now. And this is the one where we'll go right in front of the ear, and then we'll put it in this area down here. That's a frequent area that people do not like because it shows aging, and we don't ever want to show any aging. So generally we do as many vials as you are decades old to start. So if you're 30, 3 vials. If you're 40, 4 vials. If you're 50, 5 vials. And then next year, 2 vials. Oh, I always love doing a little extra back here because this will really pull you back. Beautiful. How are you? You okay?
Great.
Awesome. Okay, we're going to do the other side. Sometimes your eye can get a little twitchy just because there's lidocaine in the Sculptra. That lasts for like less than a minute. It's just because of the infraorbital nerve right there. So a lot of people have heard some bad things about Sculptra because in the years gone by, we used to, not we, but they used to only mix Sculptra with a small amount of saline, and people were getting little bumps. And it's because of the dilution and because injectors were injecting it a little too superficial. So now we are diluting it more, still the same amount of product. So we're not giving you any less product, but we're just making it, we're just putting it in more fluid so you have less chance of getting those little bumps. If you do get a bump, we have ways to help with that and resolve those. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. But that is one thing sometimes people are nervous about doing Sculptra because they've heard of that. I'm going to show you the aftercare because this is very important with Sculptra. Okay, so we did an injection here, remember? So we're going to kind of massage here, and then I'm going to massage right over her cheeks, all the way up to her temples. And then I'm going to go right under her cheeks and go all the way up to her temples. And then I'm going to go another thumb breath down, all the way to her ear, all the way up to her temples. And then I'm going to make sure that I cover her chin area all the way here, along her jawline, all the way up to her temples. So she's going to do that at least 3 times a day for 3 minutes for 3 days. But if you do some of the massage, that also helps prevent some of those little bumps from happening, or it can help at least. So this can last you for up to 2 years if you did nothing else. But again, you'll love Sculptra, so I recommend doing maintenance every year. But anyway, how do you feel?
Great.
Yeah. Doesn't hurt, right? Super simple. Yeah. All right. Well, if you want to learn more about Sculptra or any of the treatments we do at Rejuvenation MD, you can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and at our website at RejuvenationMDMedspot.com.